Right, just a quickie. We've done 4 hours on the website uploading products for you guys. So I'm a bit cream crackered and a bit square-eyed at the moment. I checked out the price of that retro bottom grain with the aeration. It's $129.99 for anyone that was wondering. Just looking through some of the products now. Things that might interest people for the spring: UVs, UV tubes and quartz tubes, filter start, bio balls, pom bombs, filter start gel, all the sorts of stuff that you'd want coming into spring. Get your filters kicked off, get your UV sorted out. Yeah, I've got a load of backy shower media as well, the CSM ceramic shower media, the far infrared stuff. Got a ton of that on there. I bought some last year from a local supplier, and I paid about 130 quid for 120 pieces or something. So I did my 600 wide 3-tier shower, lobbed all that in thinking it'd be plenty, and it really wasn't enough. So I started looking around and I found a UK distributor, and knowing I was going to open the shop, I bought about 1,500 pieces of it. So I've got tons of the stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm doing 154 pieces for £140 plus £5 shipping. But if you spend £150 on the website or thereabouts, because they work it out in euros, you get free shipping anyway. So a box of that and some pom balls or something, and you get free shipping. I also do it in single pieces. I do it £1 a piece for a single piece. Not that anyone really want a single piece, but if you're building something like Vince's mini shower, you only want about 10 pieces, not a problem. A lot of people will only sell it in the boxes, but I'll split boxes and sell it a few bits at a time. Or if you just wanted to top up a shower that you've already got and not go to the expense of spending 150 quid in one hit, and you want to do it bit by bit, not a problem. I can accommodate you. Yeah, so the website's growing slowly. Found out today that a local pond shop has closed down through illness. They've had to move to be near a family, which is a shame, but leaves me a little opening in the market down here, hopefully. Off to Stoke-on-Trent tomorrow to see the Balding Reefer. Going to see the Twisted One, Vince. Gaz's Koi Bonds, Sea Beers. There's a few people going. So get on the Balding Reefers channel about 7 o'clock tomorrow. That's generally when his live starts. There'll be some cracking raffles going on. I'm taking one of the retro bottom drains. I'm taking a 55 watt UV. So if you're in the market for either of those, you might be able to win one for a tenner. You just go on reeferaquatics.com, look for the raffle section and buy a couple of raffle tickets. And then we do the Wheel of Death, which is just so much fun. It's such a blast. Even if you lose, it's just so much fun. It's so nerve-wracking. It's a brilliant idea. Absolutely cracking idea he's got there. And no doubt I'll be putting a few more bits and pieces on as my stockpile grows. I might go up there with a box of backy shower meter or something to raffle off. Backy showers are getting very, very popular now. So yeah, that's where I'm at. The car's been fixed, so I'll get to Stoke all right tomorrow. Water piggies are doing fine. Website's growing. Website link will be in the description for mine. Balding Reefer, just find him on here. And we'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.